Good morning, you
Good
guys.
morning.
Today we have 2 appointments today. We had 2 yesterday. This has been an eventful experience. We thought we were coming here to look for one vendor who is going to provide us with quality here. We have met 3 vendors. 3 vendors so far, and everyone has something that we need. You'll have one vendor that has the very long hair from like 32 to 60 inches. Then you'll have another vendor that has the curlier hair. Then you'll have another vendor that has the frontals and the closures, and he makes wigs. So it's like everyone has something different to bring to the table. So now we're finding that we have to now maybe connect and contract with multiple vendors, because we want to be able to bring you guys everything you need. We don't want you to come to the Christopher Anthony Premium Raw Hair website and it says out of stock. I know how it is to want your hair and want it like tomorrow, so we want to make sure that we're providing you guys with that service. The wig maker, he'll make it specific to your head size, but it may take 14 days. Once we get all our videos together, we're going to upload them. We have so many pictures. This experience has just been amazing. I'm Guyanese. My father is Indian. It's like I'm seeing all my people right here. The food is so familiar. It's just an amazing experience. And like I said, you come out for one thing and you find another. There's always something to learn. God is just so faithful. You don't know why you're moving, how you're moving, or why you're delayed, or why things are canceled, or why somebody new hits you up. But it's always for a reason. So I'm very grateful about this trip. How about you?
It's an amazing experience for me. I tell you, the people are amazing. Even though we're in a different country, they are very friendly over here. They polite, and it is amazing how they welcome us with open arms and show us love and treat us very good. So despite what you hear about other countries, you would never know until you actually come and visit yourself. And the experience is amazing. That's all I can say. But we'll get back with y'all later on today. We're going to a factory, and we're going to post everything we're doing. We'll post some more later on. What we say, Big Mama? Peace.